Hey there, future anatomists! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the human skeleton. We're going to explore the bones in your body, uncovering their secrets and functions. So, get ready to learn all about what keeps you standing tall. The skull. The skull performs several essential functions. It encloses and protects the brain, brainstem, and eyes from external impacts. This protective role is crucial for preserving the integrity of our central nervous system. Shoulder. The shoulder girdle links the upper limbs to the axial skeleton. It includes the clavicle and scapula on each side of the body. The shoulder girdle offers structural support and enables a broad range of motion. Arm bones. The bones in the arm include the humerus, radius, and ulna. These bones are crucial for supporting the upper limb and serve as attachment points for the muscles that enable arm and hand movements. The hand. The bones in the hand include the carpal bones, wrist, metacarpals, palm, and phalanges, fingers. These bones offer support and stability, allowing for precise movements necessary for activities such as gripping, writing, and playing musical instruments. The chest. The sternum shields the heart, lungs, and stomach, while serving as an attachment point for tendons. The ribs form a protective cage around the thoracic cavity and move during breathing, aiding lung function. The spine. The spine offers crucial structural support to the entire body, encasing and safeguarding the spinal cord and nerves. These elements play a vital role in transmitting signals from the brain to various parts of the body. The pelvis. The pelvis is formed by three fused bones, the ilium, ischium, and pubic bone. These bones support the weight of the upper body, stabilize it, and transfer this weight to the lower part of the body. Upper leg. The femur articulates with the hip bone in a ball and socket joint, and with the lower leg bones at the knee joint. The patella is connected to the upper and lower leg via muscles and ligaments, facilitating movement of the knee. Lower leg. The tibia supports weight, connecting to the femur at its upper end and the tarsals at its lower end. Positioned to the side, the fibula doesn't directly bear weight, but serves as a site for attaching leg muscles. The foot. The bones of the foot consist of the tarsals, which are 7 bones enabling slight adjustments in foot positioning, the metatarsals that form the front part of the foot, and the small phalanges, also known as toe bones, which articulate with the metatarsals and facilitate flexible movements of the toes. Thanks for joining us on this bone-deep adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing science videos. Leave a comment below with your favorite bone or a fun fact you learned today.